Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this week's stitch of the week is the Kroller stitch. It is a beautiful stitch. It is very similar to the stitch that we did last week, but yet it is so different. It is such a beautiful, really pretty, delicate looking stitch. This one's a little area, so it's not quite as dense, but yet it still would make such a beautiful blanket. For today's tutorial, I am using Premier Basics yarn by Premier Yarns, and this is in the color Lemon Yellow. And we are going to be using a 4.5 millimeter hook today. And this particular pattern calls for a multiple of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to crochet a chain of 22 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so I have my chain of 22 stitches. Now we're going to go into the fourth chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this fourth chain, we are going to crochet a single crochet. Now in that very same stitch, we are going to half double crochet. In that very same stitch, we are going to double crochet. Then we are going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2. And in the next chain, we are going to crochet a single crochet. In that same chain, a half double crochet. And in the same chain, a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. In this next chain, place a single crochet and a half double crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet in the next, and that's all we're doing. Half double crochet in the same and double crochet in the same stitch. And you're just going to keep repeating that across the chains. So skip 2 and then single crochet and half double crochet and double crochet. Skip 2, single, half, and double. Now we've come to the last 3. We are just going to place a half double crochet in this last stitch. Now we are going to chain 2 and turn our work. In this very first stitch, just above the double crochet, we are going to place a single crochet and then a half double crochet and a double crochet. Then you're going to skip 2, so you're skipping the excuse me, half double crochet and the single crochet from the previous row, and you're going right over the double crochet. So you're going to single crochet and then half double crochet and double crochet in the very same stitch. I got such a frog in my throat. You're going to skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, you're going to single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Again, we're going to skip the half double crochet and the single crochet from the previous row and go into the double crochet. So it's skip 2, and then in the next you're going to single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way to the end of the row with a single crochet and a half double and a double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're at the last 3, and we are going to, it was the last 3 because this is our turning half double crochet. So this is a single crochet and a half double crochet and a double crochet. You're going to skip these 2, and then you're going to half double crochet in this turning chain, and then you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Now let's do this just one more time. Okay, so not in this stitch here, but in the next stitch right above the double crochet, we are going to single crochet and then half double crochet and then double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2, single, half, and double, and repeat. And this is a really easy same row repeat. And it goes really quick too. As you can see, yes, this is a little swatch, but we're already at the end. So we are going to single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in that same stitch. We are going to skip 2, and then we are going to half double crochet in that last half double crochet stitch. And that's it. That is the beautiful crawler stitch, or Kroller stitch, however you want to say it. Very simple, yet very beautiful. Comment below and let me know if this is a familiar stitch or if this is the first time that you've ever heard of it. Again, forgive me for my voice is a little raspy today. I'm not sure why. And until next time, bye.